Hey, what's going on? In today's video, TikTok just released a new added feature, making it easier for you to video reply to comments. I'm gonna show you where to find it and how to use it coming up. Welcome back to my channel. I help you with tips and tricks on YouTube and TikTok. So if you want more videos like that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. This way you will be notified on every single video that I upload and you'll get it in your notifications. All right guys, so in this new feature, TikTok has made it easier for you to video reply to comments. Usually you would have to search your comments and see, hey, you know what? I think I want to reply, with the video to this, but now they've made it so much easier. It kind of wants to make you stay on the platform, that much longer. And I think I might do that because I see some comments that I would have never found, and now I want to make a video reply with them. But before I begin, I want to give a couple of shout outs to the comment winners of my last few videos. I want to give a shout out to Ayet Shanez and Bonita Doodles. Thank you guys for commenting and staying engaged. If you want to be featured as a comment winner on my next video, make sure you comment up on this video as well as with your questions or concerns. Also leave your TikTok username so I can check out your channel and possibly on your channel give you some tips and ideas on how you can grow your following. All right guys, so on with the video. I am going to screen record and show you exactly where this feature is and how to use it. Normally you would have to search for a comment on one of your most recent videos and do a video reply comment, and it would go something like this. You click on your inbox, you see the comment, you click on it, and then right then and there you have the video camera on the left. You hit video reply, it's to you, and you make that comment and it's right there. Well, now instead of searching for a comment or seeing it in your notifications, this is what TikTok has done. Get ready to make a video, and while you're ready to make a video on the platform, you will see now to your right, reply. You click on reply, it gives you a ton of comments and then it just keeps refreshing. I think this is so cool because now I can just read all of my comments instead of having to get a notification that I feel like I may have missed. I see one from Nisi Deals saying, finally on my FYP For You page. I was like, what is going on? I took a break for a minute, but let's go ahead and video reply to her comment. So boom, it's right there. It makes it simple and easy. Yes, I was gone for a minute, took a little break, but now I'm back up on it, and hopefully you either get this notification or it's on your For You page. All right. That is how you do it. You can hit next. You can save that in your drafts. Now, if you notice, the favorite option is right above the reply in the right-hand corner. So let me show you how to favorite a comment just in case you want to video reply to that comment more than once, maybe more than a few times. So what you want to do in this case, you do have to find the comment that you want to favorite. So go to your inbox, look for a comment. This one says, so cool. Click on that comment. Right on the comment where it says so cool, you want to press and hold, and then you will see the second option is add to favorites. So now you have added to favorites. It shows right there. So this way, when you get ready to go to record a video, now you can click on reply, go over to your right, click on favorites, and boom, there is your favorited comment. So just in case, if you know someone that can use that or benefit from that, make sure you show them this part of the video. All right guys, so that is how you use the new feature, the TikTok video reply to comments, and you see where it's located. Do you have this feature, and is it popping up on your phone? If not, I highly encourage that you make sure you update your TikTok app to the latest version. Also, I've been talking a lot about TikTok testers. I have seen that TikTok testers has been full. Most of you are getting this notification right here. The beta is full. Unfortunately, I can't do anything about that. There's really no way around that. They will eventually roll it out again, as they always do. Hey, right now they are currently accepting beta testers, so make sure you be on the lookout for that. In my next video, stay tuned. We are going to be going over how to enhance your video quality before posting. Totally different from the HD feature, but this is a new feature TikTok has rolled out as well on how to quickly enhance the quality of your video before posting. Real quick, my wife and I just started a ministry channel called Moving Forward Deliverance Ministries. If you are a person of faith and are in need of encouragement, or maybe you need someone to pray for you, definitely check out the link in the description below. You will find that for Moving Forward Deliverance Ministries. We really want to encourage you, and hopefully you can subscribe to that channel if you really want videos that will inspire you and build your faith. I also just dropped a new single entitled Trust Me. It's on iTunes and Spotify and many other music platforms. That description will be in the link as well. Everyone is loving it. It's getting great reviews, so I highly encourage you to make sure you get that today. And once again, it's on iTunes, Spotify, Amazon Music, and a host of other places. So that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.